Having knowledge of how to profit in crypto is very important. But what is just as important is how to store your crypto. In this video, we're going to take a look at a platform that is promising some major returns on your favorite crypto assets. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of your Digit Hustle News. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at right now is Vauld, okay? It is a crypto lending platform coming out of Singapore, as a matter of fact, that is promising some massive returns. And as you can see on the screen right now, this is my actual account. Full disclosure right now, you see the logo. You see it's official. I am a Philip, by the way. Shout out to the Phillips. But yeah, this is legit. Okay. I got word of this courtesy of my brother over at True Story Inc. And put the link down to his site in the description for surely. But ever since he exposed it to me, okay, I have been just all about this platform. Because guys, as you can see right here, and if you're not looking at the screen, I'm going to tell it to you. I am currently getting 6.5% interest on XRP. Okay. This is what they call fixed deposits, one of the many features on this platform. And they literally just added a heap ton of more projects, which we're going to get into later in the video. But if you take a look at the bottom of the screen, you can see a small list of that. But this fixed deposit feature, guys, as you can see here, my principal amount is $199. Got a 30-day term, started it this morning. My payout amount will be 200 XRP at the end of 30 days. That's how I'm reading that. And if that's true, then yes, the thumbnail has been served justice, because these are some of the highest returns in the game right now. Okay, guys, so take a look at the assets that they have available. All right, this is another reason why I had to do a video about Vauld, had to give you more than a review. I had to give you an analysis, because literally an update occurred May 1st, and I went and updated the app. Came back, there were 19 new assets, because they just started with Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, the stable coins, Tether, Pax, Binance USD, DAI, USDC, etc. Come back May 1st, they do the update. They had 19 new coins, including Uniswap, Chainlink, Aave, FTT, Graph, Maker, Engine Coin, Sushi Swap, Synthetics, Compound, Basic Attention Token, Mana, Yearn Finance, ZRX, Curve, 1inch, Hibernate. Ladies and gentlemen, without me getting too excited, I just really want you to know the opportunity that is sitting before us right now. Okay, so like you can see down here at the bottom, these are the percentages for these coins. As you can see, I'm getting 6.5% on my XRP. You can get up to, let's see here, 3% on Chainlink as of right now. These rates will increase, however, because this is still early on the platform. But you can see you're getting 3% on Chainlink, Graph, Uniswap, Sushi Swap. But see, here's the key thing about this, guys. Even though these percentages are relatively low compared to a regular banking institution, you're still getting off way better. But a lot of these projects they're very hard to stake anywhere else. Okay. And I think that is what, let's go back to this wallet page here. That is what is going to give Vauld the advantage in the long term. Now, I just watched an AMA with the CEO, And they have plans to expand into the American markets and the European market, as well as the Asian market. They're focused on regulation and clarity. Okay. And here's another interesting note to think about as I take you through this list one more time, guys. There's a lot of projects that we've talked about on this channel before that we're big fans of over here at Digit Hustle. Okay, Decentraland. Being able to deposit Decentraland and store it and get interest without starting a node, like, that's going to be major, guys. And you can also take out a loan on your assets, and you can choose which crypto that you want to receive the loan in. So in essence, say, for example, you're sitting on about 500 manas and you want to take out a loan from that 500 and put it into Matic, for example. Okay. You would get your loan received in Matic now. And here's where you can get real creative. You can just hold both. And then if Matic pushes past $1, $1.50, like I'm pretty sure it will very soon, then you'll be able to pay the loan back in the Matic because it's a higher value, and so forth and so on, guys. Like, it just gets real beautiful when you run the numbers using Vauld. Okay, I am very impressed. Now, also want to show you guys something. This happened December 29th of 2020. So about 5 months ago, but this is still relatively fresh. Now, crypto-based lending startup raises $2 million in funding. This is Vauld. Now, what's the interesting part about this, guys, is where that $2 million came from. Okay, so let's read a little bit. Vauld, a cryptocurrency-based lending and decentralized finance platform that provides its users with a customer-centric banking solution leveraging blockchain, has raised $2 million in a funding round to expand in India. So the company is based in Singapore. Bengaluru raised this capital from a clutch of investors, which included Pantera Capital, Coinbase Ventures, CMT Digital, Gummy Cryptos Capital, and Lunex Ventures. Other participants in this round include Robert Leshner and Tuan Chitra managed Robot Ventures, CoinShares, Better Capital, New Form Capital. Into the Block CEO Jesus Rodriguez said in a statement, the startup will use the capital to focus on hiring and expanding its presence in India, as well as expand to its underpenetrated markets and promote the adoption of digital tokens and cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class. So right away, guys, the most important thing to note here is Pantera Capital and Coinbase Ventures. Those are the first two names on this list. All right. Those companies are are gatekeepers, if you will, when it comes to the next financial system. All right. So anywhere that they put their money, I'm going to put my money because they obviously know where things are going. Okay. So now, mind you guys, all of this I am discovering literally within the last couple of days. Okay. But let's check out some more features. This one is new. Now, if you're new to investing, they have automatic investing plans, which help reduce the impact of volatility on your investment. By splitting the amount you invest across intervals, you no longer need to time the market to get the best prices. So this is their version of recurring investments, auto investments, but it's detailed in a certain way because they have baskets. Okay. And this is similar to what happens when, say, for instance, you were looking to go to Grayscale to get involved with their BTC trust. Okay. This is kind of what they would hit your company with when you go to choose an investment product, because they have baskets. Okay. where you can invest in particular fields of interest, decentralized everything, the best of crypto, all in on the alts, swaps for everyone, specifically focusing on the swapping platforms, DeFi makers and takers, focusing on lending protocols, digital ownership, engine, and mana specifically, scaling first, enabling blockchains to talk to each other, invest in a booming need, graph, mana, engine, chainlink, synthetics. Guys, I've never seen a platform like this. I've never seen a platform like this, and it's fresh. It's brand new, and I am highly impressed. So I had to bring it to you guys, okay? This is a very easy interface. The app is also amazing, okay? The app is also amazing. I can honestly say I am just as excited about this as I was about, and still am, about Clever. Okay, so guys, if you've been with this channel for a minute, we're slowly building up our ammunition, our tools. Our tool belt is getting stacked. Okay, Vauld, Clever, Crypto.com. We got many weapons in the game, guys. And I'm starting to feel, because we've been pumping, the markets have been pumping for the last 7 months. 7 months, okay, guys? I would assume we have about 4 more left, maybe 5. Now is the time to start shifting into these platforms where you can get staking rewards, where you can get interest and returns on your assets, because that's how you survive in the bear market. The goal is accumulation. We're so early on that we really need not worry about the price, because this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning, guys. This entire space is less than 17 years old. It's a teenager. It's a teenager. All right. So put that into perspective and definitely check out Vauld, because I, of course, have started a campaign with Vauld using the code DHN2021. You guys can start storing your assets and as well invite your friends and start earning as well. Now, they have a feature, the kickbacks. This is important. Okay. I chose to not opt into this because that is what allows these things to happen. Okay. The 40%, the 5, and the 5. There, you can choose not to get the kickbacks, and then that way, whenever, you know, the people that you have invited, they do something, there's not as much of that percentage. Now, the interesting thing about it is that if you do activate the kickbacks, they go into a pool that is then divvied out at the end of a specific term to all of those that you have invited, including yourself. So this is DeFi at its finest, ladies and gentlemen, in all honesty. So of course the links will be down in the description, so you guys can get signed up. The KYC is super easy, super simple. Just name, face, verification of address. And of course, you want to use your two-factor authentication. I use the Google Authenticator. They're probably going to suggest that to you as well. But yeah, guys, Vauld looking to change the game. And now you can swap. They have easy swap features as well as pro trading for the more advanced traders. Oh, looks like they're using TradingView. Honestly, never looked at this page before. This is interesting. Guys, I don't trade like I used to, because I used to do Forex. Before it was crypto, it was Forex. That's kind of what pulled me into the crypto even deeper, because I can do well with pairs like Euro, USD, and CAD, JPY, all of that was just, it's way too much volatility. But when I started trading Bitcoin, it's just something about these chart patterns, guys. It really is, but not going to get too deep into that. Don't want to get off topic. The subject at hand is how to store your wealth, guys, for the future. Okay. That is why I am introducing you to Vauld, and I would highly recommend it. Go down and check the link in the description. Get signed up with Vauld, then share it with your friends, guys. Let's help blow this platform up, because we'll be one of the few early adopters to this. Best believe. So, sip my tea on that. And with that being said, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. I want you to have a great day. I want you to have a prosperous day. And most importantly, make that money. I'll see you in the next video.